I'm trying to get my life together. I set my timer for 15 minutes. I took a 2.5 hour nap. But don't meet me there, beat me there. TheresaSlade.com on April 6th. Oh, hey everybody. I just got done for the day. Oh my gosh, should I even greet you guys? Hey, it's Theresa Slade, you're watching Sleeplessly TV. Short, sweet, to the point. Time I was supposed to take a lunch, I had this code stroke training. Pharmacists are important during the time of somebody having a stroke because we're the ones that mix the thrombolytic agent that tenecteplase. So I just had training on that. So I didn't really take a break, but that's fine. I normally don't eat. This is the one time I actually, I'm trying to get my life together. I actually did my meal prep, packed my lunch, I brought it with me. I didn't even get to eat it. It's fine. So I thought I was gonna eat it after my shift, just go to the cafeteria. But no, if I'm going home, I might as well just eat my lunch at home. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll see you guys when I'm at home. Bye. I set my timer for 15 minutes. I took a 2.5 hour nap. But yeah, make sure you guys shop our merch. We have these sweaters and t-shirts as well. And I'm gonna get ready for our photo shoot because as you guys saw from my previous video, I am launching my ebook, Theresa Slade's Sewing Starter Guide 4/6/26. I'm gonna be doing the photo shoot for that. I'm gonna film the promo video, and then after that I'm going to work on the ebook because I need to finish a couple chapters. I don't write a whole ebook in a day. This ebook is filled with so much valuable knowledge, but I'm gonna be taking you guys with me. You guys are just gonna see the behind the scenes. Let me just get ready and let's go. I got it. I like how it doesn't require glue, like casual everyday type lashes. I'm hungry. I need to eat dinner soon. You see that? You see that rack right there? That's getting moved. I'm gonna use that white space to record and take all the pictures. You guys saw a whole bunch of behind the scenes footage of me getting content, me setting up for my ebook launch video, and then I'm getting some content for Instagram. I'm taking a how to take your measurements reel. I'm gonna work on the ebook and then eat dinner because if I eat dinner first, it's a wrap. Yeah, let's go to work. Well, we've been at work. Let's keep working. I honestly didn't think I was gonna get all of this work done today. This was a lot to do. Am I in first? So my main goal for today, I'll just tell you guys, why not polish up chapter 4, which is what I did. That's about fabric. And then I had to finish chapter 6. That's on basic skills to practice if you want to get into sewing. Did chapter 5. I didn't finish it, but I got the bulk of it done. It's just to add little things here and there to finish it up. And then to start chapter 7, which is about mistakes to avoid. I use Trello to organize all of my projects, my content calendar. Tomorrow my goal is just to polish and proofread everything that I have thus far because I want to proofread as I go. But yeah, this was a lot. Let me just mark that I did that. I was gonna make my Alfredo today for dinner, but I feel too tired to cook. So my lunch for tomorrow is prep and my protein shake that you guys saw my stain lab. I ordered food for dinner. I just got something on walk to treat myself for a job well done. I can't believe it, from beginning to end. Everything that I put on my to-do list, I did it. I'm so proud of myself. Like, this is really it. I'm going to eat my dinner, plan my day for tomorrow, and just chill. Just keep it going. Let's keep stacking greater days. So hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and got some insight on a day in the life of a pharmacist and a fashion entrepreneur. Remember, I'm gonna keep saying it so nobody can say that they didn't know. April 6th, 2026, Theresa Slay's Sewing Starter Guide drops. $10 for 10 days. By April 17th, it's gonna double. So get your card ready, get your budgets ready, be there. Take advantage of this. If you want to learn how to sew, if you want to get into fashion, this is a key skill to have. Whether you're male, female, any gender, any age, anybody can learn how to sew. There's no limitations, there's no barriers to entry. If you don't meet me there, beat me there. TheresaSlay.com on April 6th. Like this video. Remember to subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Good night.